All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Hillcreek Outdoors. Hey, it's a beautiful day today. Why not come out here and split some wood? So we're gonna be splitting some wood down here in our wood yard. We do use a Country Line log splitter. It's a 25-ton log splitter. We've never had any issues with it. It's been very reliable and we truly enjoy it. We did get that from Tractor Supply. Hey, it does the job for us. So sit back and relax and hopefully you enjoy us working down here today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate you coming back. Let's get into it. I want to show you something here. All right, so see this wood right here? A little spongy in certain spots. I'm gonna throw that off into the kind of our junk pile that we'll burn this in our own fire pit there. But you can see kind of right here, you can see where it's starting to get squishy, but the inside's still really good. So what we'll do is we'll split that off there, and then this here will be good firewood. We'll split anything off that we see that might be a little spongy or started to no longer be any good. So there's still some good firewood in this piece. We just got to cut that nasty part off there. But that's what we do with some of our scrap stuff. We just throw it in a little pile over here, and then we'll burn it ourselves. So just wanted to show you that. Well, unfortunately, guys, we kind of had some issues come up here where we're going to have to quit today, but yay, that's kind of how it is. You can always get out here and do something for a little bit. Even if you only get a half hour, 40 minutes to do something, you can still, you know, work and enjoy your time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is a short video, but like I said, time sometimes runs short. You all know how that is. So hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, here on Hillcreek Outdoors, we'll see you.